Who could that be?
The National Weather Service in Phoenix has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Maricopa County in south-central Arizona, Pinal County in southeastern Arizona, until 3 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 2:20 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Blackwater, or 7 miles northwest of Coolidge, moving north at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mesa, Apache Junction, Coolidge, Gold Canyon, Queen Creek, Blackwater, Gold Camp, Magma, Santan Valley, Florence Junction, Queen Valley, Kings Ranch, Santan Mountain Park, and Sackatone. This includes the following highways: US Highway 60 between mile markers 193 and 216. Arizona Route 87 between mile markers 133 and 149. Arizona Route 79 between mile markers 144 and 150. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for the following counties in Arizona: Maricopa.
That little dead pixel is terrifying!